Alright, so this is going to be our first ever Angelito. This is the very first fig. Very soft and was very drooping, and also looks like the eye is actually somewhat open. Like I thought it may actually end up splitting, but it never did. So I don't know what to make of that, but the eye is definitely questionable and like how it's going. The crack you can see forming up and down is very sus. But let's go test it out on the scale, see what it looks like. 45 grams, okay. It's not bad for first one. Let's go ahead and cut it up, put you down. All right, we got it cut. Let's go ahead and we'll pop it open. Whoa, look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous, actually. Wow. Definitely looks amazing. Alright, so now that we got cut into 4 pieces, let's go try one out, see what it tastes like. Very jammy. Good amount of seed crunch. A little chewy skin. Definitely could use a little more sweetness, but then again, it's the very first fig, so it's not bad actually. Very good. I like it. Definitely seems to have high potential as far as it ages. It will definitely get better and better. For the amount of sweetness that it has, for it being first year, first fig ever, it's actually very, very, very good. Definitely good.